Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, certified pre-owned, and low miles. Features also include bucket seats, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2016 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, security system, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.